Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of our tutorial. In this video we'll be covering how to create your own map and how to basically make it playable. So, first things first, we're gonna have to find the QF draft scene in the scenes folder right here, and we're gonna duplicate that with Control D. First, then we're gonna have to rename it to basically whatever name you really want to. Let's I'm gonna call it test scene for now. Double click to open. There is nothing here. Okay, so we are going to create a plane and then scale it to 10, 10, 10. Make sure to center the position and then focus on that. Let's change the directional light rotation and change the color too to something like this, I guess. Okay, so this will be using the floor texture. Naturally, it's a source kind of floor texture. Okay, we have the scene, the most basic scene you can ever imagine. So let's save the scene and go to build settings. Chances are there will be a bunch of like deleted scenes over here. It'll be just gray area of deleted, 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 and so on and so on. I mean, that's not chances are, that's exactly what's gonna happen, because the scenes basically, they have a different IDs and so on from the ones that I have provided in the build. So you just right click and remove selection on each of them, or maybe you could just, oh, you can. So yeah, you need to test map, test map 4, destination station, and then test scene. Okay, now what do we need to do this? First of all, this game will build the scenes you have included, obviously, and the next less obvious advantage is, just because we have added this scene to the list, you can now load it by name through the console. Here, let me show you. You open up the console, it's enabled by default, so you open map and then test scene. All the scenes are lowercase, they are converted to lowercase, so it doesn't really matter how you call it. And here you are, we're loaded here. No HUD, no weapons, no nothing though. And what would happen if we press the new game? Weird. It doesn't have the scene that we have just created. Or is it weird? Maybe because we need to make a chapter file. And that's exactly what we need to do. So to make a chapter file to be displayed in the new game section, you need to copy and paste any like random chapter file over here that you see. And then we're gonna have to rename them to, for example, test map test scene, and we need to copy the name minus the extension like this and paste it on the image file. Okay, just to make sure. Let's see. Okay. Alright, there we go. Everything looks correct. So open up the scene that you just created. Open up the, configuration file. This configuration file basically is a bunch of console commands that are executing in order. It's important to notice that all the commands that are executed or listed after the map or change map commands will be executed when the map is done loading, like when it's finished loading. Any commands that are listed prior to that will be executed like immediately, like as soon as you hit the button. That is good when you want to have like some delayed commands. Okay, as you could see, there is a map command that we have just demonstrated for the console. We need to enter the name of the scenes that you'd like to load. So it's test scene. Here we go. And now we would like to save this file, and it will be shown in the new game section now. So new game, and as you can see, we have an extra scene which is called test map test scene, which is exactly how we are calling this configuration file. You click on that, and we are in the game. Okay, there is nothing to see here yet, but we will get to that. Everything seems to be working fine. Take care, guys. I will see you soon.